Hey, Dylan here from Makita, New Zealand, and I'm going to show you our DUH751 18V Hedge Trimmer. It's an absolute standout from the range. It has unbeatable performance for commercial use, but it's also got the conveniences and comfort that you want when you're working in the backyard. The tool itself, I honestly feel, it'll show up anything you've used before. You've got to try it. The kicker on top of that is the added value in reduced maintenance costs and running costs too. When you do go to use your DUH751, there's also perks. There's no fuel handling, there's no dead spark plugs to worry about, no blocked air filters, and no hot, heavy, loud petrol engine up at your head. Our DUH751 really gives you petrol performance without the fuss. The DUH751 Makita 18V Brushless Hedge Trimmer features an impressively powered Makita-built brushless motor. With just one Makita 18V Lithium-Ion LXT battery, the DUH751 can deliver up to 4,400 strokes per minute, and that's for up to a massive 160 minutes of finger on the trigger runtime too. The same battery that you use in here, it'll slide straight into over 225 tools in our range, offering you a shed full of solutions when you need them. With a 750mm bar, you're covering a lot of hedge in one swing, and with a double reciprocating blade, you're cutting every time you swing. With a large 23.5mm maximum branch cutting diameter and 3-stage speed selections, you'll be set for almost anything you can throw at this tool. Something too that battery can offer at the push of a button is the blade reverse release function. It's simply engaged by pushing a button of the controller by your thumb. This will reverse the blade direction and free the tool if jamming ever occurs. No more struggling to pull your trimmer out of the bush. On top of all that, for user comfort is the benefit of a rotating rear handle with 5 lock positions. Operator safety on the job is obviously key too. So, a 2-handed operation switch engineered to activate the motor only when the trigger and the top handles are engaged. Plus, the motor has an electric brake, so when you stop, the tool stops. When it's built, it's put together with our XPT. It's for added protection, our unique extreme protection technology. It's a series of integrated seals and channels in the tool, engineered to direct dust and water away from the tool. It gives you increased durability and, more importantly, longevity of your tool. Thanks for watching. And if this is the tool for you, or you're interested in anything from the range, head to our website for more information at www.makita.co.nz.